Hey, Fortnite, you want to explain what the fuck is going on here? Why is this stupid cat on my fucking yacht? Yes, this was my yacht. Back in the OG days of Chapter 2 Season 2, I was basically Fortnite Jesus. I took over the item shop, I had my own supply drops, and I even owned this kick-ass yacht. So, why the fuck is this stupid fucking cat on my fucking yacht? You know what, Fortnite, this whole fucking season is just a fucking cash grab. You ruined my boy Brutus's grotto so you can have a stupid fucking Eminem collab. That's just fucked up.